So I normally don't do 3-minute long videos, but you asked for this. A tutorial on how I use Werble to create those videos for my going live tweets. So I've been playing the brand new Sherlock Holmes Chapter 1. I already have a video created for this, but I thought I'd show you a process of making a brand new one. So I have a few pictures of myself, greens put in front of a green screen. Sadly, Werble does not have an ability yet to just easily green screen yourself out. So I go to the masking tool and use my finger just to simply go around getting rid of some of the green screen, but this will work with whatever picture you want. Now, if you do have PNGs, just like the Sherlock Holmes Chapter 1 title, as you can see, it will respect the transparency. I do have a focus kind of on lighting. I like to focus on lighting in a lot of these. So I went into Glow and got one. It comes out blue, but as you can see, they have tools where you can change the tones, the colors. So just change it to something more fiery. I wanted to have some kind of thing going on with the shadows underneath, but not just kind of like flickering shadows. So grabbing a fire and using the transform tool, I can 3D orient it to the floor. Now, of course, as you're going on, you're just having flames there. Well, that doesn't look the absolute best. So if you go into blending, I went over there and just switched it to overlay. And then we go ahead to the masking tool. And right there, I'm just kind of doing a quick little rough mask out of the feet and the chair and of John right behind. Now, of course, I get my Johnny Bravo-like hair, and they just have a kind of literally just a hair, essentially, brush right there that I just then kind of try to dial into my own tone. But I'm also thinking about the color overlay that I'm going to be applying. So it will help change up my tone and everything else to kind of fit into themselves, and it gets a nice little waviness from the fireplace. As you can see, go into sparks, and I grab the ones that I kind of want. You can do a lot of different kind of things with this. Now I'm going to show you something that I really had an idea, and this is because of John and the story. Thought it'd be kind of cool to have some wisps maybe coming from the heat, making things feel a little bit more ghost-like. And so grab these two, put them to the side, and then under the blending tool, they quite literally have a blur out ability. And then lastly, just wanted to get a little hot spot there because of the light behind. And yeah, and then just kind of adjusting the layers, what's on top of each other. Put a little camera motion shake in there, really simple to do. And then last but not least, the title, I wanted to be kind of going out of blur a little bit. And so if you go to Pulse Effects, you can apply a bunch of different things to it. But yeah, just wanted to put a little bit of a blur and it's shaking up and down. That's how you go from this to this. So I hope that helps, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions, and happy streaming.